I'm here at Mill CNC in Leamington Spa. Now my focus today is this automation cell behind me, which comprises of a Doosan Lynx 2100 LSY and a Doosan Cobot, the M1013. Now if you like what you see in this video, be sure to visit Mill CNC stand at the MACH exhibition located in Hall 19, stand 100. Where they'll have no less than 16 machines on show, 7 of which will be new models, and it's the biggest stand at the event. So why introduce a Cobot into your machine shop? Well, last year approximately 18,000 Cobots were sold worldwide, of which 22% were for machine tending operations, and that's exactly what we can see here. Now this particular Cobot, the M1013, has a 10 kilogram payload and a reach of 1300 millimeters. Now this is just one of many Doosan Cobots within the Doosan robotics range, with the largest being able to handle up to 25 kilos with a reach of 1700 millimeters. So if you like what you see, Mill CNC not only supply Cobots, they also supply their Synergy automated manufacturing cells. Visit their stand at the MACH exhibition, Hall 19, stand 100, to improve your business's productivity.